Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to fix VLC Media Player not working on Windows 10 or 11. Whether VLC would not open or your videos would not play properly, we have got step-by-step solutions to help you out. So let's get it started. To begin, you have to try opening VLC. Double click the VLC icon on your desktop or search for VLC Media Player from the start menu. Let me see where is the VLC. Let me find the VLC Media Player. Here you can see this. Double click it, and if you don't have downloaded it, so just tap on to download and it will be downloaded to your PC. For now I am not gonna download it. I will just show you the steps. And then after downloading it and trying to open it, try to open it, and if it don't opens, then this method works on Windows 10 and 11. So make sure you are on Windows 10 or 11. Now let's move forward to the next fixing solution. If your video is lagging, choppy, or not showing properly, you have to go to the tools menu, search for tools menu on your search bar of the PC or Windows tools. So tap onto this. You have to go to tools menu and then select preferences. Search for the preferences option. Preferences. Let me find it. Okay, search for the preferences option. Then under the input, you have to find hardware accelerated decoding. Change it to disable. Then click save. You can try playing your video immediately or restart your computer for best results. If the problem continues, make sure VLC is up to date. Click on in the help menu, select about, and then click check for updates. And there is another method. You just have to uninstall your current VLC Media Player, and then you have to download your VLC Media Player again and then reinstall it. The official version will be downloaded. And sometimes the video file itself may be the issue. Try converting the file using a free tool like cloudconverter.com. Convert MP4 to AVI or vice versa. Then try playing the converted file in VLC. If none of the above solutions work, the video file might be corrupted or it may not be compatible with VLC. So as example, I'm going to show you with one of this video, like open with VLC. So as you can see, mine is working because I have previously deleted and installed the VLC's official new version. So make sure that you try this method. You can try other free media players like POT player, KM player, and PV player. Let me show you. The first one is POT player, like pot player. This one, the first one. Then the second website is, the second app is KM player. This one, and the last one is MPV player, like MPV player. Search for a player. Let me show you. This one, tap download the second one, download it. So that's it. This is how you can solve your problem. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.